Win rate, 44%. Maximum profit reached was $104. The average return on winning trades exceeds 10.6. But the real question is, can this strategy truly deliver results? We put it to the test using an automated trading bot focused on trend following with a trailing feature. In the latter half of the video, we'll reveal actual entry examples and backtest results, so be sure to watch till the end. Indicator settings. Riding the trend is a classic path to success. But the real challenge is knowing where to get on. This time, we tested a tool designed to solve that very problem, the Normalized DEMA Oscillator SD. To start off, let's configure the chart. Currency pair not specified. This time, we're using odd USD. Time frame not specified. For this test, we're using the 5-minute chart. See both reversals and trends at a glance. The ultimate oscillator NDOSD is here. Trends and reversals. Can you really spot them all with just this one tool? First, open TradingView and click on Indicators at the top. In the search bar, type NDOSD, then select Normalized DEMA Oscillator SD. Click on Settings, then go to the Parameters tab. Change the DEMA period to 40. NDOSD is a high-performance oscillator made from DEMA and standard deviation. You can instantly grasp both the strength of the trend and signs of reversal. Buy signal? Right here. When the oscillator crosses above 55 and the price is above the upper SD line, go long. Conversely, if it drops below 45 and the price is under the lower SD line, look for a short opportunity. Plus, values below 0 equals oversold, above 100 equals overbought. Perfect zones to catch a bounce. Eliminate the noise, focus only on the real opportunities. NDOSD, your new secret weapon. Strategy explanation. Long entry. DEMA indicator is above 55, indicating a strong uptrend. The low of the candlestick is of the upper SD line. Enter a long position after 2 consecutive bullish candles. Take profit. Set take profit at 1.5 times the risk-reward ratio. Stop loss. Place the stop loss below the upper SD line. Short entry. DEMA indicator is below 45, indicating a downtrend. The high of the candlestick is below the lower SD line. Enter a short position after 2 consecutive bearish candles. Take profit. Set take profit at 1 times the risk-reward ratio. Stop loss. Place the stop loss above the lower SD line. Live trade examples. Let's take a look at an actual chart. This is the odd USD 5-minute chart from March 6. At this point, the DEMA is above 55. The low of the previous candle is above the upper SD line, so a long entry is made at the close of the second bullish candle. The price moves up cleanly from there, reaching the TP for a profitable trade. Next, a short example. DEMA is below 45. The previous candle's high is under the lower SD line, and a short entry is made at the close of the second bearish candle. The price drops steadily, hitting the TP and locking in a gain. In this trade, the DEMA is above 55. The low of the previous candle exceeds the upper SD line, and a long entry is made at the second candle's close. But this time, the price drops, hitting the SL, resulting in a loss. DEMA below 45. Previous candle's high under lower SD, short at the second candle close. Price falls steadily. TP hit, another winning trade. Another case. DEMA is above 55. Previous low above upper SD. Long entry on the second bullish candle. Smooth upward movement leads to TP and profit. Again. DEMA below 45 SD. Previous candle's high under lower SD. Short on second candle. Clear drop. TP reached success. Next, examine above 55. Low above upper SD, long entry again. Clean rise, TP hit, profitable. Previous candle's high under lower SD, short on second candle. Clear drop, TP reached success. Next, examine above 55. Low above upper SD, long entry again. Clean rise, TP hit, profitable. One more, DEMA below 45, high below lower SD, short entry on the second candle. Price climbs instead, SL hit, loss recorded. And finally, DEMA above 55, previous low above upper SD, long entry at second candle close. Price rises smoothly, TP hit, trade successful. One more, DEMA below 45, high below lower SD, short entry on the second candle. Price climbs instead, SL hit, loss recorded. And finally, DEMA above 55, previous low above upper SD, long entry at second candle close. Price rises smoothly, TP hit, trade successful. Backtest results of custom algorithm. The strategy is named DEMA Trend Oscillator Strategy. The test period covers approximately 3 months, from January 6th to April 14th, 2025. Here are the key backtest results. Net profit, $314.95. That's a positive 10.50%. Maximum drawdown, $212.84 in drawdown. That equals a negative 6.96%. Win rate, 44.113%. Out of 537 trades, 237 were winners. Average profit per trade, plus 59 cents. Average winning trade, $10.62. Average losing trade, $7.34 in loss. Payoff ratio, 1.47. Profit factor, 1.143. The biggest winning trade, $104.73. The biggest losing trade, $60.95 in loss. Sharp ratio, 0.577. Sortino ratio, still 1.286. Compared to a buy and hold strategy, the result was $43.46, or a positive 1.45%. Insights and improvement suggestions. Strengths. Long trades demonstrate strong performance with a profit factor of 1.516. The overall payoff ratio is solid at 1.447, meaning profits from winning trades consistently exceed losses. With a maximum drawdown of 6.96% and a net profit of 10.5%, the risk-to-reward balance is acceptable. Stable profitability, along with a Sharp ratio of 0.577 and a Sortino ratio of 1.286, makes this a reliable strategy even for beginners. Areas for improvement. Short trades show a tendency for losses, with a significant 4.83% drawdown, indicating inconsistent performance when used alone. Overall win rate is relatively low at 44.13%, suggesting that refining entry filters or conditions could improve accuracy. With an average profit of only $0.59 per trade and a high trade frequency, transaction costs could become a concern. Improvement ideas. Add a volatility filter to further improve the precision of entries. Independently optimize short trade conditions, including oscillator thresholds and DEMA cross rules for better performance. Reduce trade frequency to help minimize transaction costs. Summary of the DEMA Trend Oscillator Strategy. The DEMA Trend Oscillator Strategy is a trend-following, long position-focused approach designed for stability. Its high payoff ratio and low drawdown are standout features, making it a methodical strategy aimed at steady profit accumulation. However, improving short trade performance and enhancing entry precision to increase the win rate remain important goals moving forward. Stay tuned for the next analysis.